Hey guys, so today I'm going to bleach dye. Yay! Start twisting, make sure that everything is tight and bring it all in. Take the rubber bands and place them on the t-shirt. I'm making 4 shirts and we're going to try a few different ideas. You can start twisting from every place on the t-shirt. Just keep in mind it's gonna be the middle of the design. So I have a spray bottle and a squeeze bottle, both of them half full with water and half full with bleach. For this part you want to use gloves so the bleach won't touch your skin. Now just let's have fun and try a few techniques. After you finish with the bleach, let it sit for like 5 minutes and wash it with water. Then just wash it and dry it as you normally will. It's a great and easy way to make cool t-shirts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!